Let's go to page 572 and do number 37. Okay, so you got sine theta equal to 0.4875. Okay, and it says give the measure of the two angles between 0 and 360 with a giving function value. Give answer to the nearest tenth of the degree. Okay. So over here, so first what you need to do is, okay, you have to use, to find the theta, you have to use second function. So you go second sine, and you enter the number 0.4875, closing parentheses, push equal. Okay, wait, the calculation in the wrong mode. Okay, make sure it's in the degree mode. Okay, there we go. Okay, so second sine of 0.4875 equal. Okay, so this would be 20 and how many decimal to the nearest tenth? Okay, so it would be 29.2 degrees. So theta equal to 29.2 degrees. Okay. And now there are two possibilities. So 29 degrees is over here. So this is 29.2 degrees. Okay. So the second answer would be, see this is positive, right? So you're going to get another positive over here. Okay. And again, you have to use a symmetry. So this is 29.2 degrees. So to get this angle, you have to start with 180 and you have to go backward. Okay. So the first theta is 29.2. Now the second theta, this angle over here, the second possibility, you have to start with 180, you have to go backward. Okay, so again, you have to look at the picture to figure if you have to add or subtract. Okay, so theta 2 equal to, so 180 minus 29.2. So it'd be 150.8 degrees. Okay, so those are two possibilities. So again, you have to look at a function to see which one is the same. Okay, so again, this is sine function. Sine function is vertical. So another one that vertical is same is right over here, and so it means you just flip it over. So you have to look at the function and look at what you have first. Okay, so you have to draw that. Okay, let's go to number 39. Okay, you got tangent theta equal to negative 1.752. Okay, okay, so you can use your calculator. So you go second tangent, and then you have to enter negative 1.752, closing parentheses, equal. Okay, so you're going to get negative 60.3 degrees. Okay, now you have to be careful with this one. So when you draw your picture, right? Because when you use calculate, it will only give you a negative. So you have to go negative this way. So okay, so that's your 60.3 degrees. So that's your alpha. That's your reference angle. So again, the negative just tells you have to go this direction. Okay? So that's not your theta 1, right? Remember, theta 1, they want you to go between 0 and 360. Means you have to use positive. So your theta 1 will equal to 60. Actually, you have to start with 360. Okay? So you go 360. Right? You start off here. Just think about you tracing your path. Okay, so 360 minus 60.3 degrees. So your theta 1 equal to, so 360 minus 60.3. Okay, equal to 299.7 degrees. So this is 299.7 degrees. Okay, so that's your theta 1. Now to get the other one, again, you can go backward again. That's 180 degrees, right? So that's why it's so important to draw your picture to help you to visualize, to figure out what you need to do. Okay? So your theta 2 will equal to 299.7 degrees minus 180 degrees, because you have to go the opposite, right? So again, it's very important you draw your picture to visualize. Okay, so it would be 119.7 degrees. So that's your theta 2. Now it doesn't matter which is theta 1, theta 2, as long as you get the both of them. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 41, you have cosine theta equal to 0.2524. So you can get your calculator and get your angle, and then you can draw your picture after that. Okay, so you go secant cosine 0.2524 equal, okay, so this theta equal to 75.4 degrees. Okay, and so if you draw your picture, 75 is right over here, and you're looking for cosine, so cosine in this case is positive. Okay, now for cosine is positive, that means you're going to be right over here. Okay, so cosine is positive, so it would be right over here. Okay, anyway, so this is 75.4 degrees, so this one checks, so this is your theta 1. Okay. Okay, now to get this angle, you don't know how much is this over here, so you have to go this way. Okay, so you have to go this way. So you have to go 360. Again, you always start with the angle that you know, the position that you know. Okay, so your theta 2 is equal to 360. That's where you start out. So when you go this way, you have to minus. Okay, and minus 75.4 degrees. Okay, so your theta 2. Again, it's very important you draw your picture. Okay, so you see where you need to start and which way you have to go, so you know you have to add or subtract. Okay, so 360 minus 75.4 equal 284.6 degrees. Okay, so that's your theta 2.